When I was in my undergrad, I studied environmental science and biology, and I also worked on a farm. And I've always been very curious about the conversation of how we engage with the land, and how things within our environment impact human health, impact ecosystems. Here at UNC, we're looking at PFAS presence in pine needles across North Carolina. PFAS are per-polyfluoroalkyl substances, a large class of synthetic chemicals that have been used for decades in things like nonstick cookware, cosmetics, and lining of fast food wrappers. They have been associated with health concerns, a variety of things from liver damage, high cholesterol, and inflammation. Pine needles function as detectors for PFAS. They act almost as these natural pollution sensors. Their waxy residue allows PFAS to be trapped onto their surfaces. As our lab has already shown, we can detect PFAS in pine needles. Now the question becomes, how much can we quantify? So when we pair detection and quantification together, it can be a really powerful tool to help us understand PFAS prevalence. Tracking changes over time takes us from a snapshot to a story. And so we can go back into the field over time and see, is PFAS increasing, decreasing, not changing at all? We can also see, are there PFAS we haven't explored before coming into the scene? And it helps us go from a snapshot to seeing trends and patterns that build a story. One of the goals of this project is at the end, all the data we've collected, we'll be able to share with the public in an accessible and user-friendly way so that the public can engage and see potential PFAS exposure in their local environment. It's been great to do research that goes beyond the bench, and I'm very excited to be here at UNC. Being able to do research with a variety of different scientists allows me to ask questions, use tools and instruments that I would have not, if I stayed in one field, wouldn't have gotten the chance to. So it's always turning the research question on its head and seeing it from a different way.